with Marsha, my favorite doll. One day I heard a sound. Then I went to check it out, what it was. It was only the baby stroller fell down. How could that happen if no one was here? I guess it was those monsters. Then me and Marsha went back to somewhere else to stay. So we decided to stay over here. And then the next one, another sound came. This time it came from a room. This time it came from here, my baby brother's room. We are going to travel tomorrow early morning. That's why there's so many stuff here. I'm gonna show you my room. It also has many stuff. And then I told you, this has less stuff, but my other babies are sleeping. And the last, I found a dollhouse that was not there before. I wondered what that was. It was not there at all. And I saw a picture of my room. I drew that one so many years ago. And now something weird is here. How did my favorite plate come here? And how did my headphones get over here? Then me and Marsha went back to sleep. We sat over here and talked to each other. That's not the end. Hello, did you like this video? So like and subscribe. And I know this video was a little bit different than the other videos we had. I know it's very different, but we had to do this because I wanted to. So bye, like and subscribe.